This week we're going to focus on ongoing concerns about the weak pace of U.S. corn exports. We're also going to focus on what the weather looks like in Argentina as early corn planting concludes. We're going to wrap things up looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We're in the last few days of November here, and there's a lot going on both domestically and in the world. We're going to start out this week looking at some ongoing concerns with the pace of U.S. corn export sales and shipments. What this slide focuses on is year-to-date U.S. corn export sales. Notice here that we're looking at one of the weakest totals in recent memory. This chart goes back 20 years, and there have only been 3 other years where the year-to-date sales are slower than this year. So as we near the end of this first quarter of the crop year, September, October, November, concerns persist with respect to the anemic pace of this corn export program. So here's the key message. Remember, it's supply and demand that impact price. Right now, export demand is weak, so we really strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage these newly harvested 2022 bushels. Let's shift gears now to South America. As our harvest has concluded here in the U.S., it's planting and growing season in Argentina and Brazil. This week we're going to focus on Argentina. Let's take a look at where those corn acres are produced in Argentina. We're looking here at 4 key provinces, as we've highlighted previously: Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. About 80% of the corn is produced in those areas. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends for that region. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at temperatures over the next 2 weeks. Now this is important. As we move into 1st of December here, that corn will be in the vegetative state. And it looks like it's going to be very warm across those key provinces. In fact, looking at the mid-90s here for the next 2 weeks, starting on Wednesday, November 23rd. Now let's turn our attention to precip. We're moving into next week now, November 28th to December 3rd. There is some precip moving in there, but it's really modest amounts, a ½ inch to an inch, not that widespread soaking rain. So what are we left with over the next 2 weeks now? We're looking at the total precip over the next 2 weeks. A lot of red in that picture there. Now looking at Buenos Aires in the far south, maybe closer to normal, but as we move further north, you can see that means below normal precip. So again, the trend is what's important as we move into December here. Will that dry trend persist? Let's shift gears now and wrap up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. We're looking at December 2022 corn futures are still trading. They're trading at $6.55 a bushel. That's $2.40 above the 5-year average. And here's a key point. Now it's 30 cents below the October crop insurance price. Strongly encourage you to defend your balance sheet for these 2022 bushels. And wrapping up here, it's not too early to think about 2023. Particularly with December 23 futures, it's $6.05 a bushel. And we still got 3+ months before that crop insurance base price is set. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we update every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.